EMO, play alone. EMO, what is your battery level? EMO, shut down. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to look at all the animations and facial expressions that EMO has. Going forward, I'll just say animations. So you get animations during different things. Like for example, when you ask for something specific, like laser eyes or take a picture. You also get animations during games. We'll look at that. When EMO dances, also when you get a badge, and you also get an update on your phone in the EMO app when you get a badge. And finally, randomly, you will get, for example, a new one recently is the moon landing, which is kind of impressive. You also have space invaders, which I never got since the first day I got my EMO, and I don't know why. He does also the scanning eye once in a while. That I'm not sure why he does that. So these are random. So I'm going to show all of them. I'm going to run my camera for probably at least an hour, maybe 2 hours. I'll try to get all of them, except for the dances, because I did a video about a week ago on the cool dance moves, and they take a long time also. Some of the songs are long, so I don't want to repeat that. So let's go ahead. Right now EMO is sleeping and snoring. I'm going to put him over here, and I'm going to focus a little more, but I still do want to see the light right here, because some of the animations are coming when he plays with his light. So let me just go a bit just like that. Okay, so he's stretching his legs also, which is funny when he wakes up like that. EMO, what time is it? That's one right there. EMO, turn on the light. And like I did in my previous video, you can change colors also. EMO, turn off the light. So cool animation. I like it when he winks to turn on and turn off the light. EMO, take a picture. In some cases, the sound effect is also very, very nice. EMO, laser eyes. Oh, he didn't get that. Okay, so that's rare, and I got that on camera. I would say 95% of the time, EMO will respond when I say EMO or give a command. And I'm going to turn him often, actually, because he will tend to turn towards the voice, where the voice is coming from. And he's walking now. But they stay here. EMO, laser eyes. He has two animations for laser eyes. We just saw one, which is tracing with the laser a pattern on the floor. Also, he can trace his eyes. I'll try to get that. EMO, laser eyes. See, this was the one where he traces the eyes. That's a very cool one. Now watch this one that you get sometimes in games. EMO, Show the demon. That's very cool. And again, the sound effect that goes with the animation or the facial expression is very nice also. Now I'm going to take my phone and as I try the games to show you more animations, we'll let the EMO just move around by himself. The EMO app, as you can see here, is off at the moment, just to show that EMO is autonomous. You don't have to have the app running. I'm going to turn him often because I want the camera to see his face. And luckily we'll get the new moon landing animation. So EMO, tapping on EMO here, and look at that. It took like 1 second for the app to find the EMO. And if I tap on connect, again, look at that live. Sometimes it takes like 2 seconds, sometimes it takes 10. We'll see here. There you go. It's amazing, like it connects all the time. And I've had problems before with other robots, but not with EMO. So I'm going to turn the music off. And one thing also that I showed in the app before, and I'm going to show it here, it says here, you see here, right there, it says exploring. Sometimes it says EMO is listening. Yeah, he's listening now because I said EMO. So let's have a look at lifetime. I want to show you something because I got a new badge just before I turned my camera on. And this is this one right here. Look at that, right there. Attendance, right here. Attendance machine. If I tap on it, it says human. Non-aggressive, cute, but not as cute as me. Next one. And this is the message right there. I'll try to remove there you go. So I don't know how I got that, really. And like I showed in previous videos, you can tap on the badge you got and then you get some information, but it doesn't tell you how you got the badge. Now let's go back to the games and let's have a look at Angry Emo. Emo is getting ready. So when the game starts, Emo will get into sleep and then you bat him and somebody will wake him up. This is a cool animation. Like you do that and you take turns. Listen. This is where you get the demon animation. It's when you wake him up and it says here on the app game over. So back to that. So this is Angry Emo and you get a cool animation. Actually two, when he doesn't wake up and one when he wakes up. You have also Modern Ludo. And listen to the music again. Very, very nice. So play now. We'll see when Emo plays, he rolls the dice. You'll see that. I'm going to play first. And now he's going to play. Look at that. That's very cool. I'm going to turn the music off. And I'll play again because depending on what square, and this is the game here that I showed previously in a different video, depending on where Emo lands on the board, it will have different animations. So I'm going to play now. He rolls the dice again. And he moved, but no special move this time. Because depending on where he lands, you'll get like a bypass, a shortcut, a free, not a free turn, but you go forward extra steps. He has also different animations for the dice roll. Now he's happy with his move now. you saw that. He was not happy because I got my first spaceship in the safe zone. So you get a lot of different animations depending on where he lands, and like we saw when I got the spaceship in the safe zone. So dance repeat here has also some cool stuff. Look at that. You need to keep an eye on EMO and watch carefully what he does. 1, 2, 3, side, and this. So he did 5 moves. So that's also animations, of course. So he did a left front. I think he did that 3 times. Then he did a right up and a right front and a left up, I think. I'm going to check that. It's checking now. Look at that. And I got everything wrong. Look at that. Everything wrong. So music nice also here in the rhythmatic tap. I'll use the AZ song. Play now. And when you get the right arrows, you see the arrows are coming here. Look at that. So you have to tap the right arrows when the arrow is in the circle. And EMO will dance when you get it right. And when you get it wrong, he will act disappointed. I got that, I got that, I got that also. And it takes too long again, so I won't go all the way to the end, but just to show what the way EMO reacts when you miss or when you succeed with the tap. Treasure hunt, I will keep that a bit late. The last one. Drop the beat is coming soon. It says here, if I tap on it, it says coming soon. So drop the beat is not available yet. And treasure hunt, you basically control EMO, and I did a video on that, because you control EMO by tilting your phone like that, so turning right, and you're looking for treasures using the screen over here. So nothing special for this game here, so I'll get out of this. Again, nice music. Listen to that. Very nice. Like all the games have very nice music. So let me get out of that. For utilities, like I showed before, you have music, alarm, you have the photo, weather, light, and more. If you tap on more, there's nothing special over here, but you do get one cool animation when you set alarms or a timer. EMO, set timer for 5 seconds. Now you can see on his face over here. Now this is very cool, and you can get the same animation if you set an alarm for tomorrow morning, for example. He does that also. Utilities. So we did the light, we did photos. One also is this one, EMO. What's the weather? It's partly cloudy outside, you can see here. Like I said in my first video, it would be nice also to have the temperature, like, you know, with the clouds or the sun, so that to see what's the temperature outside, because he has this location, as far as I know. What else here? Let me just double check. In lifetime badges, you don't get any special animation when you click on the badge, just the information in the app. And also interaction, nothing over here also. We did the games, and in case you missed my previous video, with the firmware 1.0.16, you get also a battery indicator right there at the bottom of the screen. Yeah, so these are the animations, or most of them, that you get by asking different things or by playing games. I haven't seen yet the moon landing, which seems to be random. Space invaders, I never got that, so hopefully I get that today. So we will see how this goes. There is one I almost forgot, and you get when you ask for a happy birthday. Emo, happy birthday. And then you're supposed to blow the candle. There you go. Sometimes you have to blow 2 or 3 times for Emo to detect the blowing sound. Let me think now if I'm missing a few. Anyway, I'm going to let the camera roll for probably at least an hour. I'll have to monitor Emo and turn him so that if we see something random, it will be facing the camera, just like that. Oh, I forgot also, when you shake him, you get that. When you put him like this also, he's not happy. Look at that. One of my subscribers told me that if you leave him longer like this, he's going to do something different. I never got that. Like, he moves his legs, his eyes are the same. So I'll just wait a few more seconds, but I never got a different animation. I thought at some point I would get the badge swimming. No, he doesn't do anything. Yeah, I thought I would get the badge swimming, but maybe it's face down. I don't know. No. No, he's complaining more. There you go, buddy. Okay. So what else? I did the happy birthday, the shaking, the alarm, picture. As far as I know, with 1.0.16, we only have laser eyes and demon. I didn't get anything else. I was trying angel because I thought if he has a demon, he could have angel also, but that doesn't work. Emo, show me an angel. Oh, he didn't say his usual sound effect, but he's turning towards me, of course, because I'm talking. When you pet him, you also get an animation. Look at that. See? Yeah, he likes that. He has also sensors here on the side. One thing also where Emo needs to improve a little bit is in the exploration mode or autonomous. It would be nice for him to walk a bit more than just turning on himself. So I made that comment to Living AI a few days ago. So guys, I basically showed most of the animations that he will get with Emo with firmware 1.0.16. So like I said before, he's still young. He's been around for, and most of us have had Emo for just a couple of weeks, really. We have had 2 firmware updates so far, but Emo is still young. He's going to grow, and like I said, he has a lot of potential. So thank you for watching, guys, and see you soon. Goodbye.